Right guys, we're at Lolham Level Crossing in Cambridgeshire with AB Trains and Jamie. Oh God!
Dear. Anyway,
that's me.
now. The time is.
Got a Blackley Station alarm. Right, the time now is 20:33 on Friday, the 18th of March, 2016. And this is for
2041 Virgin Trains East Coast Service from Edinburgh to London King's Cross. I just track them down on.
Right. This is for our 2037 1 Romeo 72 East Midlands train service from Norwich to Nottingham, and our 2038 1 Echo 24 Virgin train service from Edinburgh to London King's Cross, and possibly even for our 2040 1 Delta 95 Grand Central service from London King's Cross to Bradford Interchange.
1 Romeo 72 is at Elmsted on here.
Okay.
Right, you see where that track comes in? That's where Helpston is. That block there. Yeah. That's some of it's coming in, just going off Spalding. 1 Delta 30's up there. I guess Tallington's in between here. And that Tallington's just here, I'd guess. So we're about here in this block. Maxie's here because this is like to scale. Yeah, that says terminate. I'm guessing this side is the speed of it. No, you have just broken the law. This is a one-way route. I'm supposing that's supposed to be a point this way.
What is that?
They vandalised that. I don't know what. Oh, it's a super portal.
No entry. You have just broken the law. This is a one-way route.
I suppose that's supposed to point that direction. Yeah.
Oh, so that was what that other driver was doing. He was breaking the law.
It's that way only now.
And the person who's just watching, this video, look, you have just broken the law. This is a one-way route. Look, this is one way.
1 Romeo 72 is just.
You can't go the other way. You have to go this way. It's a one-way route. Oh, you do it.
Yeah, 1 Romeo 72 is just past Helpston.
That's it.
Here she is.
Okay.
Ready?
Yep.
Let go.
Helpston gate box.
Alright.
They control
let
that
go.
from Helpston. Here she is.
Oh, where is she?
Yeah, she's up here.
Okay.
Talking around the corner. Here she is. It's a bit far back. Let me check with the other things. Can you call me when you get home? Of course I'll call you when you get home.
Is she is?
Yeah.
Who just said that?
Oh! Wait, no. 1 Romeo 72, we're going back up for a little bit.
Yeah.
Here she is,
We've got. I'm gonna have to go this side. What we've
I
got.
don't know where the whistle boards are. I'm guessing that manual work. We've got. It's going rather slow for this speed restriction look.
All right.
I'm guessing it's like 50 miles an hour or something.
Yeah, something like that.
Oh, it's really slow.
Yeah.
20.
Oh, it's 20 miles an hour here. Wow.
Okay. We've got 158. 846. 846 to Nottingham, and
Hopefully.
there they go. See you guys for the next